fiscal to click a link in so now register with steps in there very simple. Why would we need to bet maybe yes see a Naji live bet now to register MyBet.Africa. But can I subscribe and share? Show news more down for no so nya match ni being share no so nye being share because here the na bre obia enya wo pe into share na wo share copy na for two WhatsApp groups mu copy na for two social media handles no mu bia mbra no mu mbra mbehwe MyBet.Africa TV.
Money man KD the message biaba.
Yes
my yebefa be last recourse na yaba second half no hello Udine be akeze free. Hello Udine be akeze free. When Timen just KD say how can 19k be watching and they only have 9.7k subscribers? Why are you guys chasing like that? You are enjoying the feed yet you don't want to subscribe. Message na KD account more subscribe sina be a Ghana game bia no obeti e ba be nya be hwe. Hello Udine baby akeze free.
Yeah, hello but your friend Kofi me kase free Kumasi.
Okay Kofi yetio.
Yeah, na me say bona patebora phone no oya de pa na me kase obora phone ma jollof ne pen ya no.
Okay money man second half no o ma ba ne start money man I mean second half no ba start what are you expecting?
Yes and until I'm see obi and register MyBet.Africa this second half Ghana will another go in the second half. So come MyBet.Africa near second half over 0.5, second half over 1.5 option. But I think second half Black Stars to score likely say bet me AC. And Black Stars to win the game so one option I'll bet me a for. Into our register. Register click a link so now register see a game ne course na e be ma live bet. Now wait me then Edia Fiscal MyBet.Africa.
All right, I'm on for Friday. For right now, you ain't me and for course ni be second half no I start here and santi we best start na ya ba ya pon game na ya be fa more course na ya dem atwetwe nkomo second department of the game no and so I started the Black Stars Thomas Partey what Praga Bonia say Jordan are you John Atta or Ghana all the way Josephine Santua second goal or second goal there Ghana and a message on the back Abdullah Amba I'm watching from Kuwait they should change Kudus Isaac Ofori message on the back I don't understand what is so hard in subscribing. I already subscribed just to appreciate. Thank you official Saint King Jr. More subscribing for more updates, more live streams in terms of Ghana Black Stars games and UEFA Champions League games. Oba MyBet.Africa pe ubenya live commentary and a live streaming na ewaha. The Black Stars should check their pass very poor or say Ghana Gilbert Atta messenger or they Abba or say God bless you. In fact, MyBet TV needs award. I'm watching you from Germany, Bremen. And you Poku Castro messenger or no area bar church obia or Germany mountain so mamo bunum ponte mu kumase kaswa Madina watching live from Serbia ye chobi bia dema echo is true. Black Stars is for NDC. Question will be ABC no money man this will be ya no Bono kita Abu Francis Opiama Mohamed Kudus be Piabono or the Bona Kwechia Kwakuma Mohamed Salisu Abobo no ama Gideon Mensah Sudabi a Prantan Idiade Matthew Akampadi Wabekle Bono and Sweat Media Free Ho a throwing for the senior national team in the Black Stars of Ghana. Gideon Mensah Watobo Nama Jordan Gideon Mensah nicely Bono be Hune Sudabi Ravlinson Bonikita Mohamed Kudus e Piabono Bona Kwakweche Madagascar Fono Omati Praga Body Behu Madagascar Shotman Devil the Bona Kwakoma Captain Fantastic Ryan Ravlinson Madagascar Fono Pia Bono a throw in a quick throw in Shotman Devil or the Nebuaji ball or Chichen Shotman Devil or Piabona Kwecha Koma Corentin Couturier Piabona Kwecha Kwakuma Matthew Akampiadi Madagascar for Kitabono. Can they take this opportunity? Madagascar Corentin a chance Nesudabi. A fine cross from Clement Couturiel. No shot Warren Cardi. A kitty.
Yeah, Vincent, link near the ato no, click so no more register. We register we are registration there very simple. Send your account, phone number, username, no password, penny here. Now I register. The next go out now cost ye papa. Now the next go Madagascar odd inquire 3 or Ghana they need 2.25. Nti den ya ofamu ba ko abetimi afiska because gold here den second half e betimi hu go nti click link no na register now so come my bet live bet option no na den now so fiska e wo ho.
All right. Updates the Black Stars. Antoine Semenyo, can this be opportunity? Jordan, are you born in say Black Stars? Can this be a second goal? Thomas Partey back to Kudus. Black Stars, Gideon Mensah across the bono, born in say Nesudabi. Black Stars, chances upon chances. Ghana wasted chances no. Born in say Jordan, are you? The Bona Quecha Kakuma, Mohamed Salisu piano 10 times, so they might Gideon Mensah, what boy quick 1-2, Mohamed Salisu, the Bona Beche, Bonikita, Jerome Opoku, Pianama, Alexander Jiku, back to Jerome, 2 players, Yomusia can with the Turkish Super League, Alexander Jiku, a sunny body, my share King Station La, also Esiakan, and with the Turkish Super League, see a kind of matchman there they substance sport a throwing for the Black Stars of Ghana. Kingsley Schindler 50-minute play so far and nation so say Madagascar for no omo bomb home games Morocco and I'm say omo stadium say Madagascar no it's not fit to host these games. Bono nya say Black Stars Gideon Mensah wo pia dem Jordan Ayu the Bona Kwecha Kokuma Mohamed Salisu pia body dem Abu Francis. Nice display from the midfielders. Bona say Madagascar omo ati Praga Abu Francis wa clear ball for referee wa jefa dem Francis money man 10 minutes played 5 minutes played so far in the second half. Send us who game no.
Yes, I think game need here within the first 10-15 minutes you be who more of a slow game because Obia person more careful. And until who's a fouls now does within the first 5 to 6 minutes or mobile. So Sani be who send a game no but as a Ghana team take your chance now the next goal ever game no or Muntimi share because that will be a decider a bad boy made to make keep that 3 points in here Madagascar for no.
And no way money man and I would say in Kano and a Ghana early by 1 goal and yeah a good year a Bronson Thomas Partey or no and a 2 atranema on my concro Ghana sene Sisiana will join the feed now Shen Susene Madagascar for no and a shell red and then a Black Stars and so a share yellow no Ghana amate Praga Jordan Ayu the ball no abeche ball be hu ball nya say Mohamed Kudus watching ball nya say Mohamed Kudus onya ball nya say wase pia dem Gideon Mensah cross the ball no ball be hu Jordan Ayu pokwa ball shot Jordan Nesudabi a corner kick for the Black Stars. And name it like I said, money man, there is one positive thing about this Black Stars team. Your last 2 games against Chad, yeah, the set piece, go, and against Madagascar, yeah, the set piece, go, make a set piece I make no. That is one thing one who say, good for Ghana. Thomas Partey.
Yes, I think say can
goal.
Go for register link no Ghana next goal.
Yes.
Ghana me boss so say 2.23 odds. O the 100 cedis to each what face come my bed Africa go ni to mu here almost celebrate. now who celebrate one chain nunti and the second goal, the crucial goal and Ghana hiano o metimi e de atum ene pate esifem insem bebre o maka fan ho so ball fan ho nhye ball num ene we sifem the two crucial goals amayan ene Ghana fo betimi ada the third goal ebeba ama enija bentu tia kona ko register na yesambe mo live game no wetimi adan afiska yen de yehwe ball no ba yehwe live bet no yebe ma na wonso wetimi adan afiska my medal African tishwe link na register on register next option mesande abro send your wonso betimi de kakra to echi afiska
but my yanke kind messages ni kakra e comment section.
Yes, I think messages in there go nko na nkofo e de man wa ha go nko na nkofo ka say we inyama ekoyi any comment but I think party nkofo ebo party aba so say party hu no Arsenal enu bi na ene ode man wa ha say me ko echihwe comment na nkofo bebre ebo ya baso ba ade ba ko ne say obo ya baso no na wa subscribe na wa eden wa share mo adamfo bi ono nso ebenye bi ahwe ana wetimi mpo eden a share to wa WhatsApp status impo say you bi pe Ghana match ahwe a onu nso betimi miaso no onu nso ahwe because ye no ye ya ma ye na eden etimi enye bi ahwe yo 36 nkofo 34,000 ehwe nti ye na ye share man damfo ebekọ enim na ye nso yetimi enya sa ahoden no na every time bi Ghana game okoso Champions League game okoso a yetimi di abro amount so wetimi eden enye bi ahwe
Thomas Partey ashing the second goal of the night from a Jordan Ayew corner ntene 2 goals nina from Thomas Partey and 2 assists from Jordan Ayew. Before I go ni beba no na me ka say there is one positive thing about this Black Stars team, especially your game against Chad. Your set pieces in recent time na enye but say Ghana nya free kick and enya corner yetimi e de say yo and Manuel si and from another set piece na Ghana e de ahye. It's another free kick for the Black Stars. Jordan Ayew Sanje Chebie, Madagascar 0 Ghana 2. Jordan Ayew can it be a chance na so that be Boninga say Thomas Partey 2 goals for the Arsenal man. Mohamed Kudus on Piabono. Gemino, the Black Stars leading by 2 goals. Jenkin kind messages no. And then more share now more subscribe. My passport is ready. Balotiga Ebenezer, go Ghana is doing wonders. Priska it's been a long time. We felt the spirit and presence of Partey. Well done for Jordan Ayew for the assist. I don't want your message someone for the back. I go buy Jordan Ayew go back. Next 4 years campaign message for NDC. Message someone for the back. No. More subscribe. 36 people at least. Wow, Shebiano, who subscribe ya. Danny Dangina. Ghana game bia ye be you know onsu benye bia hwe amanfo anya ye be ya ma hwe no Abu Francis watching nicely Bono Babedi Jerome Opoku Black Stars obese Asamoah or Lack Papa ye didn't di team na chi ye rene I say I'm Treasure Boy watching live from San Francisco. Ujamiana Jordan Ayew Ghana te Praga Jordan Ayew a Piatu Kudus a chance a goal Mohamed Kudus Wajinegba Mohamed Kudus na papa benye former Kotoko Mazuano wa join yomo Asamoah Kempon Stephen Apia Osekre Obiani Aje Ghana Black Stars or say yeah US Canada Mexico Massa Jordan Ayew what a player what a captain what a leader what a pass what a finish from Mohamed Kudus Money man.
Yes, I think Kudus ehia go we ye papa. Who say in previous games were trying the best so bet me go Ghana Black Stars are even affecting the club side in tonight who say goals na confirm. So with this goal I think any Ghana for open mini beji West Ham fans ni any beji say he getting this goal is crucial. Ebe boamene boosting the confidence na enyama etimi akoyi. Jordan Ayew as the captain of the side in so etimi provided 3 assists. Ama sisi ananyama etimi koyi nti se utie a me kan say in the second half likely say 1.5 bit me abo into register na otwa no na otwa Ghana to score la sika wa fa na enumere enye sika ketwa ball mpo ye mbondu bebia afini abo 60th minute nti game ne koso na Sunday live bet begu so amount to register ya me aso na ko register na won so ye den etwen for live update de be ma wo
Mascratch message no ya hu Chale, are you nipated dear Druana? Massa, what a game so far from the boys. Jordan, are you watch and they or a player only with 5 goals and then the World Cup qualifies a year bono. Upe players are or much more goals are Jordan, are you 5 goals or no any LED with another player from different country and they why assist 3 assists so far and then they against Chad or also your assist, which means the World Cup qualifiers Jordan Ayew has been fantastic. And then Ghana for Morocco, but who kept on traveling tour as Samojan in Payfo Bebre, Obiani Aje, and then Tuado Fifrentino. Boys, now you're joining more subscribe, more like it, more share. The beer there, Obiasi heat. I swear my passport is ready. Comfort Manu. One yesterday now my passport need I ever question comfort. Nanado, hey, Dabby. Messages no say hi. Are they not back for the second? Hey, Masa. Second
refreshing the page, you know.
Refresh it. We say machine here the pages can na. Echuchinu mo dia refresh it. Masa, refresh it. Jordan Ayew Ghana Tipaga bi obobo na ma gidoma sane so da bi. Jordan Denisa Guniti so far the best player for me. Jordan Ayew, make down. Kudus, you see how releasing the ball can lead to a goal. You too, if you get the ball, release them. Citizen Darius, where a warning plus message you. Hey, Ghana is a midfield engine. As long as we dominate the midfield, even Argentina will be in trouble. Hey, Swansea, good work, Madagascar. It's not a walkover. This is a different performance from the first half. In fact, indeed, you are on point. Parte did it. A man scratch, my cow message, you know. Charlie, Chairman, my passport ready to US. Peskaka home. Passport on Kwana. You go US. Oluwa, tene upeska. Command bet.africa.
Yes.
Register. Now every day, 1 p.m. Weekdays, 1 p.m. to 2:30. Team ni Asia. Jebema correct us. Now they are go actually a deeper. Now Odiaye will take it one sense. Also, what a pass, what a finish, beautiful synthesis of football. Hey, Kudus synthesis, Masa. Finally, the spirit of Ghana Black Stars is back. Hit every station that is not VV must be banned immediately. Hey, Charlie, I'm not for bofu. Must subscribe to manbet.africa. Minebet.africa. Who scored the 3rd goal? Mohamed Kudus Minya. I can't wait for you guys in US. Evans, Whiskey or Side Prempe. Minya, Yebeshia. We should throw the white jersey away. Hey, Asemba Nyabotre Chama. Asemba Nyabotre. Nanado was a message way. Munya. Where is Inaki Williams? Obo bench. Tahir Ando, also my passport is missing. Hey, Madagascar, Shentua live commentary. So, Dorothy, why under the circumstances, I'm not going to believe that Africa without Madagascar can be like a soup without salt. I'm going to believe this. Hey, message here. Jordan Ayew, Captain Fantastic, Osia Kandiman, Leicester City. Game no emoye de my bet.africa. More subscribe, more like, more share. As it stand now, Ghana, Yabeko 15 points with 12 goals. 15 points with 15 goals. Rather, 15 points with 15 goals. And then Jordan Ayew will go see a brutal. Five goals. And then Shannon say Mohamed Salah a goal. Intene Salah was 6 goals. Jordan Ayew also 5 goals with 4 assists. Jordan Ayew 9 goals contribution so far in 6 games for the Black Stars. Men can that out. Or Bridgman ye power pa men can that out. Thomas Partey so Ashe 2 and the boys are doing so well. And then Ivory Coast and so lead by 1 goal. Madagascar follow Eba by 3 changes. Abomu. Hey. Money one.
Yes.
Benedicta Ete. Or say prepare your visa. You go meet Trump for gate. Hey. AMB studio. Or say I can do the passport for you. It's mama some passport I or catch them. As Dennis TV, we are here, Canada, waiting for you guys. Hello, I'm watching from France with my family. So proud of Ghana. I'm Eugene live from Mohammed's kitchen. So please, what is the process of joining team to go for? Charlie, you can't qualify you step by step. Obviously, I'm running fast for my passport. Wunim Jordan. Obviously, Wunim Jordan. Oh, the power of 9. Ghana Black Stars, Mohamed Kudus, Opiambone Tentem Diama, Thomas Partey, Partey Piandiama, Abu Francis. What a game since hard so far. Kislishinlia, Wabosulia, Nasodabi, Corentin Couturiel, Wamane Kwan, Bonikita Madagascar, Shotman Dev, Wabo 1-2. Shotman Dev was a second half, born, one more bonus run to Nyabimo. Black Stars for bonus, and the Shotman Dev, Nyabimbo, Madagascar, Mate Praga, Nasodabi. Jordan Ayew, what a game he's having so far. Madagascar, Meniabre, Madagascar, Amopokwayatika. Amopokwayatika, Meniabre, goalkeeper Benjamin Asare.
Yes, I think Benjamin Asare in 2 games performance, those say who crucial saves being free, but we're making sure say the easy balls so for how composed I saw your ball, so with me and so to me keep it clean sheet. I mean in 2 games with me keep it clean sheet. I think the last time maybe dated to time a goalkeeper in debut, it me keep it to clean sheet, Actually, panty. Baso maybe on soon in the spirit about a tight team nature and Inyama Ekoyi Ewo.
Bono nya say Antoine Semenyo a chance na so da bi Semenyo akose Bono chance for Madagascar na so da bi Bono I say
Vincent link ni wo ho register omumbo link ni register on mynbet.africa because mynbet the game ni course na see mbe fisika nti ene utie an kwa fisika mienu anu no nti member ma wo option for ko mynbet.africa live game no match next goal that is the 4th goal ebeba game no Madagascar de 4.30 Ghana de 2.70 ene kwan bia so odu echi be fiscal because there is another goal in this game.
Yeah.
Maybe depending on baby are the back kwashe. But me say Ghana esan be she biom ti Ghana odd ne so. 2.70 o de kakra ta echi a obetimi fiscal e o mynbet.africa.
What the teacher ubetimi afeska ewo mindbet.africa. Madagascar for no o my short man devil a free. My best friend Madagascar for no aye 3 changes. Amoya Sacha they want to change the game. Medican Kase Baggio Arnold and I like Amabanchema and Njiva El Hadari and a Marco Ilamaharitaria Omo Ababa replace side players no Medican catch us short man devil Amoba second half
Obi say I think KD I think for 40,000 but still subscription ni under 10,000 I didn't na in subscribe na the message in the chat or cry the kumino I say chisel people like Chelsea supporters
hey masa Kasayo Chelsea supporters and chisel KD Kasaye man you for na chisel short man is out or you know Jessica oh am I in a film short man devil wa bre mini amen Canada oh by your excellent commentary watching you from London, Eddie Murphy. I'm Eugene watching live from New York, Ghana all the way. I am Syrian watching with my Ghana friend from Austria. Yadawa say my name is Antoine Sadat from Saudi. I love my country Ghana. Yes, P. Free host in Toronto is here. Hey, okay. Dennis Yababa who scored the second goal? Thomas Partey. We can see Thomas Partey and NDC Manampa. Hey, Debbie. I'm watching you guys from Ghana with my girlfriend. Her name is Erama inside Santa Maria. The way she's stubborn, shout out to you guys. Hey, the biggest TV.
Vincent, Yambo Omo share we are abasu ye pa. Osha subscription akoso.
Yeah.
Akoso.
Almost subscribing more subscribers.
Subscription akoso because you see subscription you almost 15,000. 15,000 me duah. You start to show no 9 and I'm almost 10,000
yeah
15,000 tie bomb abaso no now also here the whole share now for subscribe account because open Ghana content open any content via MyBed.Africa TV and I'll be me then in
comfort manu or say I'm in love with Kudus Masa Ubenya breaking hard time soon finally the short man has been substituted. Yes Inaki William Sabemu Ababeyi Antoine Semenyo Otuado Ohia more goals. A chance for Madagascar. What was shots over the bar? The ball goes over the bar. Comment to the banner. But Asamoah be Spirits AMG Black Holder. I'm watching live from Brekum Golden City. Yadase. I'm lucky from JDM. Good job. I'm watching you live from Germany. Alexander Dumako. Black Stars players are Cobras. A lot of one bleedy. Hey, who scored the last goal?
Samuel Entry. Say what subscribe. I didn't subscribe you. Be Chelsea supporters here chisel. Into a person ma omutia say Chelsea supporters in chisel. Just also support Chelsea. Now we shall also subscribe. Send ya. You be who say Chelsea supporters no. Omunya den. Omunya chisel.
Goldman Subampa. Meda Siminia. Madagascar. Are you mad? Just are you no? Why no? Andrew, are you? And you know, are you mad? And your message is somebody about as it's likely for Ghana to be in shortage of citizens who, as Black Stars are qualifying to us to America. Hey, subscribe from Maryland. VTM Yadawase. More subscription. 41k viewers right now. Upia subscribe. Ghana next game. Sila Makafui also commentator on in red, meaning red in me yellow because Madagascar for a red, Ghana for a yellow. Yedinina Sila Makafui. Thank God, Shortman is out. Shortman, oh Dibugasa. I'm watching you guys from Ghana with. Some people don't know how to subscribe. Show them. You know, so be my bet page now. We say baby, I don't want to be a ho, but I don't want to so. Bell be a ho, Ubo bell no so. Not just a subscribe to channel now, sir.
And now one thing is I will sign with you subscribe a video name card and one is with me and now FM. No about subscribe, so no about back to video now about share. Intenya dia Dian na there's a cool which corner and baby. Umiam be chefem. Now boss super no abede. Ebekwa subscribe you.
Umia ko chefem. Game no. The 73 minutes played so far. Can the Black Stars hold on? You bet my keep clean sheet. Madagascar, a chance. Madagascar, goalkeeper Benjamin Asare. Wabachi Bono. Nice defending from Mohamed Salisu. Nice defending from Mohamed Salisu. A corner kick for Madagascar. Family Johnson is watching from France. Davina Johnson. Yadama say France Mountain, so more subscribe. Ghana, good work. Madagascar, a chance. Ghana defenders na club on FO. Greetings from Barcelona, Spain. God bless you, Ghana. Henry Apia Kubi. More subscribe from Amanoni Bebia. Jordan and use overworking. Great leadership. You're on point, Minya. So, guys, I'm done packing. I know your messages are man for the bar. Anastasia Kwatima. This Salisu guy is my crush. Hey, mobile crash, Mo. She's a commentator there, the budget. Commentator, please. Richmond Badu says, read his message. Why? Nah, Rich.
Richmond Badu over message in some review.
Obi say, senior man, Anka Eshe. Watching from New Jersey. Yedamase. Mon subscribe. A man for so air final love. They trash air cost or comment section. Goalkeeper Benjamin Asare. And then our holidays. But Bobby be no watching say kwa. I mean Benjamin Asare. In the story no. Utie commentary no sha. I will say inspire. 32 years of age. Or joining House of Folk. 1 year more. 1 year Kenya man the first season for House of Folk ni. Or a captain. He's a leader for them. We're keeping 12 clean sheets for House of Folk this season. And on your 28 years and sign an all-signing contract for a year Timanidi at the Great Olympics. And sign 29 years all about the Ghana Premier League. At some point, not Great Olympics, equal relegation, no more than 10 clean sheets. In Tenei has Fokofani Bayano. When you had the opportunity, and Obano Obia Nandjo said he was going to be the goalkeeper for a year, the Black Stars. First game, Odama Ghana, you're winning 5-0. Second game, Odasu them, we are winning by 3 goals. Game near Nyam point. Benjamin Asare, what a story. Inaki to score. Obi message Jordan are you we cross the border symbol be who go for Ghana na so da bi body nya say Salisu okoyede body nya say Mohamed Salisu a chance na so da bi bono ase akwachi Jordan are you opia dem Gideon Mensah ohwehwe Mohamed Kudus body nya say Jordan he's been everywhere so far in Canada Jerome Opoku watching ye channel to form body nya say Nana Tuga, you people are doing well. I love goalkeeper the way he catches our ball. 32 years, is he missing tooth? Please make you know. Hey, we say this year 32 years. I said new. We need Richard Ofori. Fantastic commentary. Where have you been all this while? I have subscribed Ghana to the whole we are say. Yeah, that's me. We need Richard Ofori.
The Ghana fan.
Ghana for. more subscribers. Mohamed Kudus or the bone in catcher 78 minute play so far. Pass to Inakina Sudabi. Jean Maslin. Maclebon Efro Bonabedi. Jean Pierre Morgan. Wabobon Esino Sudabi. Madagascar. Omutimi Embo passes Embo Inaki Williams Ghana. Yate Praga. Oshishep Mohamed Kudus. Wabobona to board bay for Kudus. Bonian say a corner kick for the Black Stars of Ghana. And they, yeah, money man.
Yes, we'll be commenting or see or show life. If we shut our range when Rolls Royce, adding iPhone 16 Pro Max and a share.
Yeah, then I say,
or this our message in the air, bro.
Ernest Nananyama, Wababe in a downfall. Omunina a boy, our right to dream academy. Wababe Mohamed Kudus, Sansona, Ebenezer Anan, Osia Kindema, Restart Belgrade, Ewa Serbia, Wababe Gideon Mensa, John Print was 3 NNA Nations FC player, Nations FC player, a Branton in the Eddie Aye Razak Simpson looks like a Branton in the Alexander Jiku Ebe Comedy Field. A corner kick, Black Stars, Jordan Ayew, a chance. Money man.
Yes, Obisa Jordan, Obisa Benjamin Asare, Adani Ghana Chesney. Ye name Mejuma Chesney,
yeah.
Ball Barcelona and Tino, and Ghana Chesney, and Benjamin Asare.
Coach Otuado, why changes? Miensa Kudu Sabanchain, Gideon Mensa. And Abu Francis Wabanche.
Vincent, Chantel said me as a commentator. Are you dating?
Me da hosan framano. Oh, Jantua commentary so Madagascar, Omate Praga, a chance for Madagascar, Wabobo should be goalkeeper. Abe Benjamin Asare. Nibibi Nabane. Masa, Koligono Ninja, Benjamin Asare, experienced goalkeeper, Medical Kase, Sawusha Benjamin Asare, Abrabum, Memo, Babum Buddha, a Techa said them crana Udi Uma, on Sabe County, Ubian Nemre, o time so and Yakopon Ebe Udi Amount, Benjamin Asare, good goalkeeping by all standard. Subscribe for more updates. Jerome Opoku will play either from 81-minute play so far. Money man.
Yes, I think it's a good game. So in the second half, no be any Ghana beba. Some baby hold this our 1-0 lead no. But who said in the second half, Omaba with more goals. Ebebo Jordan Ayew Abaso being the captain of the side there. Sometimes they say now take his mantle no make sure say team net me a comfortable win and they with 3 assists. With me aboa ama goals mienu aba in the second half. Yebebo na baso ye and also players no mobile ball no be it me put up the best and make sure says I win we are no be our Ghana half so a very difficult win and even Pogana nya draw ye no and Ghana lead 3-0. Yebebo ma baso in 2025 Black Stars about 2 games no now with 2 games no o metimi ashe 8 goals here yen concede ye ade yebebo ma baso ye ewo
Tachi Prisla, I'm in love with the commentator, with Dobuta Prisla. Some Chantal, my home message, you know.
Ni maku bisa so bi draw comment e bisa se wo dey ti awa mani answer.
Akosia Dizari, I will marry the commentator. Me sad the whole free for ring never shame. Commentator back. Someone said we should is the why. Do you know messages? No, Monfa messages here concerning the game. Mbra. Monfa messages. Hey, I'm for so bashing you. Hey, God bless my homeland Ghana. Efia Bay, watching from Cancun, Mexico. Yebeshia, El Mexico Minia. live commentary, sitting here with Ghanaian El Malag. Hey, Charlie. This one they're breaking the 8 up. That's a new. My bet, South Africa. Born Ababedi. Blessing T, subscribed, most subscribe it. MIA. All the Black Stars games be on ha NNA. Obeying the live commentary, fantastic commentary, watching from Norway. Frederick Shitu, message, owusu ya, I want to marry you. Mesum Basame Wario, Branayan Fa, Yetamumbani. Hey. OBC commentator bako crash baby. Ghana match bako. Thomas Partey will pian boni dama ina kina sudabi. Shen so say the last time Madagascar a bar Kumasi 90 plus 5 minutes and a cross from Gideon Mensah Eko hu a Branton Inaki Williams and other twatna Razak Simpson Wapaba Bejnamu Ewon Finfi Nations FC Interne 2 Ghana Premier League players and a game nimu
Listen to be some control section, so now commentary ni man on Nijai date rational way no.
And also here I mean you Canada. Short man devil free move now. Yeah, the another short man be so bob. But ne do wakakra. But hard even say short man. Jet for live commentary so. Game no. I love Ghana watching from Canada waiting for you guys and owusu Yebeshia. I'm watching from Amsterdam, Netherlands. Ghana will be pleased. Ghana will be placed in Mexico instead of US and Canada. Where them cry? Since you about 3 countries, from quarterfinal seko. Omeboni in our honti. Any country obe qualify. The visa you will get obenya entry to all the 3 countries are. Omo eye. Hey, she question be bisa.
Yawe champion or say amboni dinya obefa ne subscription back yawe champion yabodi nti share man down for no munso nye den omunso subscribe mai
most subscribe new all right touch your presla brother baby try your live commentary so a foul for Black Stars. DJ obviously the goalkeeper looks like in Paluta. Hey, Asemo, more the Asemo Magana pa.
Vincent Winifred say commentator ne mama so comment I love you to who say ne mama comment I love you and fee no why.
I love Ghana. We will go for Jabir Saribu. Winifred, more shout out to family members. A foul Ghana, Kingsley Schindler, a foul for Kingsley Schindler. Masa, I call it right back Wajiafo.
Yes, I think with
Bono against Chad Madagascar. No.
Wait, man, meet his expectation and yes.
My mind.
Say we Alidu, any we Terry Lamptey, Ebeba, and that is something I in.
Actually, Ghana, you want squad.
A bit me I then.
You will play as Papa
out of the team, no, and then I share.
Free kick for Ghana. Jordan, are you abobo ne sino so da bi and the my born in say Ghana is blessed watching from Netherlands. The church will be a woman on it. best game ever. One love Ghana on Hima Suzy. Nanekia, commentator, I like your voice. Are you single? Me a single, Rosalinda. I subscribe, read my message, NSTT, Medase. Can I subscribe twice? Minya, or more account of subscribing. Turn the notification on. And they every day, weekday piano, abra, team in the beshia list to womensa. Everton money man, and I mention in Everton said, "Dia good year sem, bon conform so any local news in the beba." And the live commentary be bro Champions League. Be the bro. More subscribe. I've subscribed. The commentary is. I say the commentary guy is good and funny. Keep it up. Yeah, that I say. I'm Eugene. I will host 2 people in New York. And they man more comment section. More share EPTV. We passport are ready. Contestano. Go straight to the point. I want to bet. Don't know how to bet. A channel mercy. And they link now. You're there to honor. Bosso. Now go register. Money man.
Yes, registration need the just 3 steps per phone number. Would your mobile money transactions and our username, medina, our nickname, what would you bet me use at the share username side. Now password, make sure send your day and your 8 letters. First one in your capital, na phone number count and one no. Obo registration is what my bet for a best send verification. Now account now verified. Now also tie show no yeah be share bet near the iden. Yeah the amount now also why then Africa elmybet.africa.
Obisi commentator send me your momo. And that's someone subscribe to my bet. Nyame admochina exactly 1 p.m. Mushayen Ewo Sports Arena. Yebera games to into details. 90 minutes in now so referee or the 5 minutes. And also more subscribe to the channel. Damase. More subscribers, more subscribers. Watching from Ukraine, Yada Seminia, owusu ye, good goalkeeper. Hey, Munyan to Asio. Shout out to my mom, Constance Ampa, aka Abnabedu. She loves football and discovered your channel. Yada Semami, subscribe, share link, Krema Obusu Afonina, Ghana game be Amumbraha, the UEFA Champions League games commentary be bringing live on my bet.africa TV. Game no Ghana leading by 3 goals. Madagascar referee waje foul Ediama Black Stars waje foul the etia Madagascar Simono say Asaruna Okano. Obviously, are you a sprinters boy? Bacho Dabi. Ghana, look at this. A club stadium and our national stadium is baller. Adolf Kwesivi. Man Katin Wai. Most subscribing. Who is shout? Schindler. Approving any message of Bidiaba. Please, I need an expert to teach me betting. Anyhow, my bet to Africa joining Black Stars. Body be who should be Madagascar for club on for Bonnie Yansa referee. Waje foul the etia Ghana. Watching from Germany, Hamburg, Anita Awo, your church will be out Germany. Ghana looks like a shout out to my woman Teresa Franca Fanny. Message or the man a duffo. Our commentary position no. Assigning passes no they go through. Nimo Ajekum. I have subscribed or mention my name. Millicent Dansua. Yada say Shema Obia and so and joining on so and subscribe. Watching live from Elmina. Damase, shout out to my woman Teresa. I can't canning na. I can't wait for you guys in US. 90 minutes, Nina so 3 minutes. Additional Enayabo. Bonikita Madagascar. Teresa Osi Benjamin Asari has so much command over the defense, such that not even one of them is trying to mess up. Respect to Asari, champion keeper. Kudos to you, Minia. Media Cents, Money Man, Jinegba, live bet or the Amamo, Amam for Bebre, Assessor Sky, my bet. Gentle Kensen is born already. Madagascar or Piadiama, Corentin, or the Bonacoma, the Malevation, Madagascar, a chance, no Sudabi, Alexander Jiku, what Clebon for opponent and say it, Madagascar, Kingsley Schindler, what Clebon F. and a Ghana supporters union, a Perugu Chakapama, only Mr. Issa, Omania Briepa. Omo eko supporti Ghana mante no born in say Madagascar. Omo pekwan atikane bako Alexander Jiku. Wabobo no edikotro Money Man. Minute na so Black Stars.
Yes, I think it was a good game. No bia enimpo end that to say Black Stars. Ebetimi akwa akoshe go say ewo Morocco Madagascar airborne home games wo. And no chair say yes now we are ya reset Black Stars na nyama den ekoyi. Hwe say ekoyi nim in next games ebebon we can see the same performance. Na nye say ye the way Ghana fo ani age keke ba ye the seriousness ni bibia bekom na yetimi puti this same seriousness anka e bia anka AFCON nke yetimi qualify ni senior president John Mahama kan no enyama ye bo ye ho modern yetimi qualify for the World Cup. AFCON we ni na nkofo ye de betu yechi ni a support you ye papa.
Crucial Mohammed or free US former Storm FM sports producer. That was sister was Woshe Sofian Idris or free Belgium. Biase live commentary. I have subscribed though. Mention my husband's name 6 lakhs Janet Okine. I say I need love. Oh, I know I message is for there, but most subscribe. The UEFA Champions League will return to action. Shortman Devil on the name. Come on, name. Shortman Devil on intimate start Thailand League. You know. Let's go. No Ashe. I have subscribed. Oh, yes. Yadama say I will give you my sister, but she is Ewe. Oh, I love Ewe for Atizigi. Intene Jabefa course no. Jabefa course no. Ediaba Jumade so I go. Kinsi Nanyasa Kinsi Yadama say 054-636-2359 054-636-2359 Obafre Aba Jumade so now so do I drink check Eddie Aba yanyo bi ahoman so hello odine bedo akazefri
hello nani mababo to Mr. Hall.
Okay Mr. Hall yada sisa wasa free mpacho yetio
won say me ka say Black Star be we need 3-0 eno na be mo no o me na be first me ka say Black Star be we need 3-0 ni je na pa no Black Star say nya o ko commentator ni kan no resetting na Joma ma chechi Black Star yada na sipa ni o ka say ma o de koma team na to mo ala mo ni ye. I'm very happy say Black Star has actually qualified for the World Cup. That is a good mark.
Okay.
You know, thank you all for your live coverage, and I hope to see more of such in the subsequent matches that I will be playing.
All right. Bebe na baba nti subscribe send be on message any update from us. Gertrude Michelle or say commentator I think we have issues if you don't read my message from South Carolina. I have subscribed. I say Gertrude Michelle. I say someone so was subscribe. Hello, udine baby akase free. Emmanuel Champon bacho kase free. All right, you man bacho yenti o. Nice one.
You know, Masipa, you don't go to campaign, and you are much actually because Mama, when you are born in the
all right. Jen, so I say from Italy mountain. So my bet South Africa. Nyame admochna exactly 1 p.m. Team in Beshia near the sports arena. And so Eddie Abeyebe into more into the game. Hello, would you know about free? Okay, Gabon Boko de Minya, Yentio. Okay. Yeah, I say offer figure. But obi the message about how can I join Ghana Supporters Union? Akpele Moses, open Ghana Supporters Union. Omo, ewo Agbele Mpe, and I say omo eye Kauku decide ho. And no bet master chomo na wa contact omo na wa koko register na wa join omo. Hello, udi ni baby akase free.
Hello, Mpacho me Kasafi Italy. Your friend George.
Okay, Mr. George Bacho Yentio.
Oh, Namishra Mone, more coverage, coverage, to action ye. If you share any time, you have, this is the time to action ye. And he won't pass the Ghana for still bringing the spirit back on Amaini to me.
Yeah, that's it. All right, yeah, that's it. Yes. Charlotte, I see you didn't read my SMS. You're making kind messages in the door. So Charlotte, Obi say, commentator, if you don't give me one of your girls, I won't subscribe. Mpacho, me don't mean now. Subscription in the here pa. And your message will be there about Safon and Nadia. Hello, Udini baby, I'll free.
Hey man, I don't speak tree, but I'm a big fan of Ghana Black Stars, so I'm calling from Atlanta, Georgia, the USA.
Okay.
So I want to congratulate the Ghana Black Stars for winning Madagascar. You know, they just proved that they are one of the biggest squad in Africa.
Yeah.
I cherish Ghana a lot. You know, shouts out to our Arsenal player,
Thomas Partey.
Thomas Partey.
Yeah.
You know, without Thomas, there's no party. So he's doing good for Ghana. And shouts out to Jordan Ayew for being a leader. He's leading that team so well. And I want to give a shout out to Mohamed Kudus, for being that great player for a long time. He's a young cat, but he's doing so well with the Ghana Black Stars. So shouts out to Ghana to the world. I know you guys are going to make Africa proud. So, hey, Ghana Black Stars to the world. Congratulations to the Ghana Black Stars.
All right, thank you. Thanks for watching. I know Ghana in this from Georgia, Atlanta. I want to also on TV. Before I race now goes way Aja. I say please have subscribed. So how will I get the betting code? Nyame admoch now 1 p.m. meet the whole team. Abra de sports arena and NNA ubenya betting code no any bibi betting so joining your Telegram group from sports arena on Telegram. Now when your betting code in now. Hello, Udine back as every.
Yeah, hello.
Pacho Udine back as every.
Within the make us a free wager.
Okay, Pacho Yentio.
When they make Fabo Abasopa Nemo live video feed no.
Yeah, that's Minya.
There's a to the bench and common and also same commentary never sanana. Yati. My subscribing so.
Yeah, that's a Paminia. Anna wash a link na mobi no so when you be a share.
My craft, for 2,000 craft subscribe for me.
Oh.
And more followers pa.
Okay. Yeah, that's a Paminia. Yeah, that's it. Yes, as you have done, well, please stop. Shortman devil, it's an insult. Oh, sorry about that. Hello, what did you about Jeffrey? Went me and Jinaso Jordan and Pata having a fantastic game. Any of them deserves the man of the match award. Exactly. Hello, what did you baby Jeffrey?
Oh my idea, na play an idea. Momo, dear baby, and Becobi, I'm fan and or want to Boasiapa.
Okay, Bashot, I am Mickey watching live from Belgium. Good work done. I've subscribed to your channel. Bashot Man Devil is my brother. Hey, sir, yati. Hello, good day, baby, every.
Cano pa oba ya be kadi o mu na why oba ne ka sa na office enya dwuma yo wonim se waka na agoro so ene yaso e chano pa why 059 22 59 464 059 22 Edoi. Hello. Oh, are they? Hello. Oh, you see a mafako kama fedi network ibe me. Hey, hello. Aha, papa fedi o de me tun kakakra. Edo. Oh. Network if we Adoi.
Okay.
Hey, Papa.
Network no aye kakra.
Yenti adasidie no.
Okay.
Eye minuanom na ewo village no. Ha. Omo frame ya na entanye ba so kroma de oframe ya beba kama. Na nipa no village na network ne hadwen. O kroma nko ade a ye problem. Ti yo de yenti adasidie na me fa course no.
Okay. Ti yebe kwa kotie adansidie no na papa ene yen koles no enswedi nkomo meba sisia.
Yo enianu adofo mumefa asidam onyankopon ye di kan na ne tosum ye nso mumefa asidam Bishop King na atade fita ba sunsum sta ye sum no na me hweso de ne se twitwi manim odi ne se
twitwi wo se
ehu
o ba odifo honom no e Bishop King ho no ebeji na kwankyira wo ye no wo twen ya wo kwa na wo frɛ no ko ya na unhunu hwe edi enam mako enan
yes enkura
ena bosome nan bosome mako enan eti preko pɛ wo so dae na papa bi sha atade white no abegina wo nkyɛn no wa started in self for wanim aha
no samanim apepa manim nyabotro ho beto wati ena nyabotro ho beto wati nyabotro nti jae mo na mi pop itimi tiam awradi humobo afemi humabo afemi hase mani no afi ayese mani bubu pre mani bubu pre mani bubu pre afi no mahu se kanea ayibi kan bi kanea bi aye han na afi ma tiam na me wo fase ba ko ba brother isi mahu bibi mahu kanea kwajo so mi munament tol munament transit so munament transit kwajo osi senso me na kacha senso ma me no no ko bi efridi senso ma me na koyi grass no growing grass na shem di mame na chese me hu niam ponti
wonderful
wa mo se ma so dem abo se
na fe wo fa si dimrika ko fra mi wo fa no ne abusuafo yi ba ya afi mi na mani so atimi ho ana me fa fo
wo so wani so ayere
wani so atimi
wani so atew
no mi wo fa si obi a enipa be gu fie ho no papa omo mususu omo
me pacho uhu mi chesia mi gina
obi hu sesia
uhu mi chesia be shatade be
shatade blue and white
wonderful bottom radi hey
anya easy Bishop King nyame nshira no
amen
ha nyame nya na kese
na mi bucha se oba ebo no nya bi
emra mi free ho a me ko na Bishop King si dabi me samra na ni oye o ma mani yes ano ono so hwe ne kwa o ma me kofa abo miensa so di baya kwankyere to ya kwankyere gusu no se me nkoto bo no ampa me di ani geni akonka ekoto bo no na so
dem ho bo na da bia papa kan ho asem no ukoto bi na so dem wo se ne me dimrika ekoto bo ni fra ni a mani ati dimrika afi na emane dom tomasi se ho ani jaba fie Bishop shira ati da girl right
here aye madum amena Bishop so amenu nso bie dia me de nkra
na mami musa wasemi se nyame ya aduma ma Bishop nyame afa no so ama wani ayede ati na mi jasa oyire no se nyame ya wadum na ufiri ase kwa obesa wa oyire ni bi mu ana
no de magim baby fa mekon magim mu aye wo Bishop ho because na wa hwemi
I was spiritual professor
tini obeka no na metie because enyo no a kamani kantimi anti
ka bibi chetiefo ayeti o
ka bibi chetiefo tini obeka no na metie nti mebekwa mekọ ne ho ansana
de wo ba Bishop anyame ayama wo no mebe so wo ka bibi ma obi a wo tie wo ne no ohunu de nyame afa Bishop so ayama nti ka bibi chetiefo
me da Bishop ase na tiefo mu tie me na wiye yi eye nyame enipa bishop nyame nhyira no papa se wo yale ne ti se dian ti se dian papa tu anamon bra bishop ho na bishop nyame de ne yadwuma awie bremu
amen nyame nhyira
obi entu anamon
nyame nhyira bonse
abra adansidie koso no wobetimi afreme na mo twetwe nkomo kora ansa na dansidie na si wodi adansidie koso na afreme freme 059 22 59 464 059 22 59 and a 464 059 22 59 464 Vodafone ya 020 na watchro 66 31 383 020 66 31 383 020 66 31 ana 383 ofra mejo so
bi gina ha mame wo so ede na nyame oba bishop o nyame afa no so ayama
yo eniano mom ya enka me ho na na nyame ase na nyame aye bi ama me
amen
nyame aja de kase abulade nyina so ade ama me de toso mienu nso nkoma bishop ken odi for ba ko pe prophet 1 prophet obia na nimni na ti obia ni ho prophet nyankopa won shao onto nkwanem omma nkwatentene mayen me ba jare so many years na me de ne ko me te papa bi nka odi for tibu Joshua ewo Nigeria me de ne ko to wo o no ankasa woni hotel ewo ho me de akwa ne ko to wo 2 months
na chese oti se oba ne yare no a wudi ni chinchin ye no na de furu play from Ghana to Nigeria
me pacho an
de be yare ma
me pacho yare na kwaye sedam tesa kikra obi a wa chira dio me ba ma bo ne ho kade na ko school ama na jia wanya ba bia wa chira dia afi de dam wonya wura school dam honom de ene nya asem ketwa ena me man so furu plane e de ne ko Nigeria Joshua me pacho an
na di for asan Ghana na
me pacho se obi kan gidie ena ma me ya dai me de ko na nyanten nka ena me de ne ko ye wono ankasa ne wo hotel a wo da me se 2 months na me hu papa na nim ena obi to me nkra wo se fa oba ne bra na odifo bi apia Ghana hanom sei aye fa no prophet ken wo de ne ba hanom a oba ne yare an ba bia efiri bia wo behunu ba bia yare no so wo bia obeba na danie e de na amanako ena ne o kan anajo na ne esa akotena film ene ye de ne ba me patron an me de ne ba Ghana ene ye man so to kam ne ye de ne call prophet ken e honom me call ye ene ode akwanche ho me ba na no na se we dia ye nyame ani so ade akitwa bi me sane yare amma chese ani wanyina be hu se me prophet ken nyankopon na de me ye den eye adwuma
ba ya papa hu akwala na no so be sane yare
me patron an ampa papa de akwanche gu fam odi akwanche gu fam no ocha me na wochemienu esa me ba se na wochemienu ne so na se man sa wo ba ne yare a me de me bible be to fam na me so me nya agidie akwanche odi ma me nyina me ye ne nyina pepepe ade be to na wochemienu me ba ne sole ye
o ma obo akwanche no sibika
o ma me bo akwanche o ma me de bo 7 e bai e na odi akwanche
na commentary basum o se bintimin testing but na me tiemo na ya me ya na bintimin send message but what did the That time no my busy. No my busy. I would mean no make catch on. They say they come a commentary be a baby I bet me can do that. What's a match one can?
Okay. A December.
I not one fear.
Now fear.
No fear, never yen as a life.
A dem.
December, that will fear. The Bombay say any early December, be a second week of December. Second week of December, the name will fear.
Okay.
And you come back yen as a life. And then dear come in Casa, and then dear carry the G.
Kumasio.
A
dem. Ato.
Well, can you say Bremen in few or what am I bad logic?
Ato.
Master
Ato.
And to our whole can you now make a
Mutala.
The kind of a yap on Jim White, the kind of a yap on Jim White.
So we see Swa, Namika.
Dabi. You can eat your paper house. When you come to go, paper house. We see that house to go back to the back testing number, people testing number, baby. Nobody have 2 balls, nobody can 12 be at home, nobody can 12 be at home, and the others are.
Yapon, Yaminkan, bye bye. Oh my goodness. Mutala Bekunipo. Eyaniako. Okay. Kachra will say Ajito or say Ghana. The difference between the AFCON qualifiers and these World Cup qualifiers is mentality. Met the Emperor, of course. Coach the kind. What's the AFCON? I say, no boys in Bezombeco. Anything that qualifies from Mushi is World Cup in the Unco Canada, Unco Mexico, Unco America.